Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chef B. If you're new to this channel, welcome Wagwan. Make sure you are subscribed down below. So the wig that we'll be working with today is from Isee here, and I just wanted to show you guys what I got in my package that you can get on the website. So I got this pack of lashes, we got some wig caps, an adjustable band, and some combs that you can add to your wig. So this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the package. This is their M cap 9x6 HD straight lace wig in 24 inches, and I need y'all to see this lace. Like, everything already done for you. It is silky straight. The wig is moving. Like, do you see that hair flowing? Absolutely gorgeous, pre-plucked, everything for you, and it is a ready to go type of wig, so you can just pop that wig on and be out of there. Okay, so the first thing I need to do all the time is to make sure that my lace is matching my natural complexion. Even though it's an HD lace, like, I need that extra melanin on my lace. So I'm gonna go in with this lace mousse, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my lace, and then once it's evenly distributed, I'm just gonna go in with the blow dryer, and this is gonna dry instantly. Like, I blow it on there for like a couple of seconds, and you can visibly see it drying right then and there. So I also want to customize this unit. Customize in terms of, like, even though it's a ready to wear and go, I like to like hot comb my wigs on the mani head as opposed to my hair, because I get that super flat look when I do on the mani, because I don't want to be jumping if I feel a heat from the comb. Like, is it just me? But I need the mani head to do this part. Like, I just cannot do it. I've never had a wig installed by someone else like to a full extent with a hot comb, because I'm just too jumpy. Like, yes, like, put it on the mani head and then put it on me. Okay, like, do all of that before, because look how flat that is. Now, you already know I'm a ginger girly, so I need to push my hair back, and we're not going to do any damage to that. We're just going to use some simple edge control and just get my hair to lay down flat, so I could put on this wig cap to help disguise the color of my hair. Okay, so just gonna put that on there, make sure that everything is aligned, and then push it back some, because I don't need this wig cap all the way on my forehead. So what I like to do is to bend the front of my wig and then put the headband in the back and then pull the wig back, and you see how aligned that is? Easy, simple, and the wig is already sitting and blending. Like, I'm absolutely loving the ear design on this unit, because even though it is a closure type of wig, it looks like a full frontal. Like, look at the side. Look at the side on this unit. Now, if you're a little bit anal when it comes to baby hairs, you can totally skip this part, but I need a little bit of soup-de-doop for personal preference. Like, remember, don't be the edge police now. It is all about personal preference with how big or small someone chooses to go, if they do edges or not. Now, I'm a soup-de-doop type of girly. Like, I need a little bit of soup. I just need it. So then I'm gonna put a little bit of mousse to just give that melted look. We're not gonna use any spray, no extra nothing. Again, this is a ready to go wig. Like, we're trying to get this wig done in 5 minutes or less. You feel me? So we just swoop them edges because we a little bit extra. Then what the mousse is gonna do is give that melted effect, the look of a melted effect, and also gives that a silky, sleek back type of look or desire. Y'all trying to get what I'm trying to say? Y'all feeling it? Then I'm gonna go in with some makeup. Since I'm wearing a wig cap, I'm trying to disguise that, so I put a little bit of makeup on there, but I just want to show y'all we didn't use anything off camera. Like, I needed y'all to see that the wig is still movable, it is still shiftable, like everything about. Okay, and this is what the wig is looking like after I have completed the install. And when I say install, I really mean just putting it on my head and doing the swoops. Like, that is literally all it took. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. This is their new M cap wig, and I'm obsessed with how well the wig just sits on my head. Like, it gripped onto my head without moving. Like, look at that. I still can put the comb through it. The lace is just sitting where it needs to sit without me doing anything extra to it. All the details for this wig will be in the description box below. Let me know what you guys think. Don't be afraid to comment, ask questions, all that good stuff. And I'll see y'all beautiful people in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.